Hey, YouTubers. Hey, everybody. It's Adiva. This is my contest entry for my 2 Hazel Eyes bubblegum pop. And I did 5 gum, and it's raindrop or rain. This is my look, inspired from the box. And I've got little raindrops over here. I've got raindrops on my eyes. And I've got green glitter. And I've got black, white, and green lipstick. Or I guess you could say shadow lipstick. So Sally, hi. This is my entry. And I hope you like it. And I will be putting up a list of products that I used today for this look. And like I said, gum. My attempt to blow a bubble. That's it. It's not really bubblegum, but anyway. Thank you for having this contest. And like I said, I hope you like my look. Alright, guys. Bye. Kisses, Diva.